Hello friends and welcome to all of you. Myself Dr. Vijay Prakash, Senior Resident Doctor at Saubhag Ayurved, Shardanagar, Kanpur, specialist in AVN and spine and joint related problems. Today I am going to discuss you about a patient who come from Mumbai, and he is suffering from AVN, and as I have diagnosed that he is also suffering from FAI, Femaroacetabular impingement. So now I am going to discuss about the disease and about his clinical experience in our hospital. His name is Mr. Ajay Kolram. He is from Mumbai. So Mr. Ajay, tell me about the detail of your disease. What are the problems you are facing in the past?
Actually, I had it was initially when it was detected, it was from going from second to third level, and it was very painful journey. Like I suffered a lot, and when I got to know about this clinic over here in Kanpur, I thought of going and giving a chance, like how it works and all. But personally, I felt very means like I'm feeling very comfortable now after 8 days sessions and all, sittings and all. After traveling for almost 1,500 kilometers, my calves and all were already stiffness was increased. But now I feel much better after 8 days, and over here I experienced the staff is also very cooperative, and sir he also takes very he suggests personal instructions to each and every one, as I have noticed, there was something like a couple of people who were taking the sessions therapy over here. So overall I can say means I am feeling much better. I have taken coupling and also leech therapy. Leech therapy worked awesome. I am feeling very good now. It helps me, it means after that dirty blood has been gone out from my body. I feel very comfortable now. These are the things.
Okay. You are also facing some thyroid related problems. There is a benign growth in your thyroid portion, and you have taken from me some medicines. After taking medicines, how are you feeling right now?
Honestly speaking, I was very much frustrated because this cyst is it was big over here. It's and I was also having problem while when I before coming I just consulted with doctor, and he said that let's do you come down over here, and then he's told me to aspirate once, and from day one I'm taking this medicine. The very first day it was before I aspirated the fluid from here, it was very I was feeling very tight over here, means the cyst was very tight. But after taking medicine for just for 2 days, it was the stiff tightness was gone down to some level. And after I did an aspiration over FNA, I'm feeling much better now, means that the growth has been it's been stopped, I guess, and as per the instruction I will be following for down the line, whatever the months are, and I hope it will give me good results.
Okay. So in both the cases, in case of the AVN and in case of the thyroid, you are feeling better?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about the therapies? What is your experience about the therapies? Is it any painful or any discomfort do you have faced or not, or it is very well?
No, during the complete course time period in 8 days, I never felt that the something is means insecureness regarding my pain joint, hip joint or not, because everyone in the staff is also much experienced, and even sir he all the time keeps on busy while doing the sessions. So this gives means he discusses few things about the topic related to my pain. So this gives me a comfort level, and also the staff and all, they are much experienced, so I never found any insecureness regarding my pain and all.
So that means overall experience is very good.
Yes.
Okay, friends, that's all about my patient's view about his treatment and total procedures. I hope that this information is very helpful, and in future if you have any problem regarding to this, you can discuss with me. So stay tuned with us, and like my channel, share my channel, and subscribe my channel, so that the latest information you can get from me. And at last, one thing I want to ask Mr. Ajay, should I can upload this video in the YouTube?
Yes, I don't have any queries, because I I would like to know people like what I was suffering and how I am feeling while going back. So this is this will be much helpful for all the people over here. Means whoever is suffering from AVN.
AVN.
Yes.
Okay friends, that's all about this video. Okay then, bye bye.